Well, the weather is getting warm again. It's time to get out there and enjoy the wilderness and have outdoor adventures. And today I want to share with you my recommended cook set. These items are great, particularly for man-portable systems, so for multi-day backpacking, hiking, camping, that type of thing, but also some car camping. So that's what we're gonna hit today, everything from stoves to pots to utensils and everything in between. So I just wanna share these items with you so that the next time you go out on an outdoor adventure, you have the tools there to get a really good meal set up for yourself, and you're not gonna go hungry and you're not just eating jerky and granola bars. So let's go ahead and hop to it, and so that I can show you what these cook items can do and what they have to offer. All right, we're gonna kick this off with the cook set. Your pot, how you're gonna make your boiling water for coffee, for freeze-dried food, soups, whatever. You've gotta have a good pot. And you don't have to break the bank to get a system that really has a lot to offer. I love the Stanley Cook Set, camp set. This thing is awesome. $15. We'll have links in the description below. Thank you for supporting us with those links that we offer to you. You can also get them at Walmart and a lot of sporting goods stores for $15. You're getting stainless steel body. You're getting a lid that will drain material as well. It has some venting holes, which is awesome. You're gonna get a folding arm that will keep the lid on and keep things from falling out of it, and will swing open and is very reliable to lift your liquid and get it out of the fire or get it off whatever element you may be using. The added bonus is that not only does it include measurement marks on the outside that will hold 24 ounces of water, which is a huge plus, but it will also come with 2 polymer mugs, 10-ounce mugs, which is super awesome, so that you can serve coffee, you can do soup and split it with a partner. You can just take 1 mug if you want and put your element that we're gonna look at in a minute here, your cooking element in there. There's lots of options that it offers, but those 2 little polymer mugs are just awesome. I use them all the time, and it really makes the versatility of this cook set go from being just like a cup, basically a metal cup, to being so much more than that. And it is absolutely versatile enough to be used car camping or as a man-portable system, and I have used it multiple times as a man-portable system and love it. Stanley does have a lot of other options if you just need bigger, larger products. They have this kind of same concept of stacking polymer items inside a stainless steel cook set that have all different types of shapes and sizes, so that if you need more people and you're cooking for more people, there are a lot of options that we'll include in the description below as well. All right, our cooking element, super important. I have loved for years the MSR Pocket Rocket. Well, they don't make that anymore, so the Pocket Rocket 2.0. This thing is awesome. It's gonna come in at about $45. Again, links in the description below. This is gonna give you an awesome flame, works fantastic, really reliable. MSR is a great company. They've been around a long time, and you're getting really good reliability, super compact, ultra lightweight, and you're gonna be able to boil water very quickly with the fuel pods that are rather inexpensive. They have all kinds of different shapes, sizes, so you can go in that direction. The cheapest ones are about $5 for a fuel pod. You can go a lot more expensive depending on the size that you want to go with. But man, these things we've used on backpacking trips, camping trips, and these are awesome. And it's small enough that you can store it inside the pot system that we talked about earlier. So again, being man-portable, it doesn't quite fit with the case from what I found. You will have to take that out and just store it that way, so that's something to consider. But it does fit in there, absolutely no problem with the 2 items that we have looked at today with that Stanley Cook Set. So totally awesome, totally dig it, and that is an awesome starter for a fuel system when you need to boil water and cook food. So the utensils that I like to use are GSI utensils. Not that there's anything wrong with Light My Fire sporks, and you see those a lot of the time. I've just found that they're kind of short, stubby, and the plastic ones have broken on me once or twice before. You could get titanium that's going to bring the price up a lot. So I just don't tend to go that way. I like to have a dedicated knife, spoon, and fork. And GSI makes not only stainless steel, but also polymer systems, so it just kind of depends on what you want to go with. I use a polymer one. It works great. I think you can get the set for like $2 or something, really inexpensive, but you are going to have that dedicated setup, so you can cook and just eat more than just freeze-dried food. You can absolutely make like a full meal, particularly if you are car camping, and these instruments, these utensils will work fantastically well. And if you need a little bit more durability, there is that stainless steel option, which is also really inexpensive. Coffee. You gotta have coffee when you're out there enjoying the outdoors, again, regardless if it's a day hike or multi-day backpacking trip or car camping. And so there's a lot of different coffee systems out there. For me, to be, again, most compact and man portable, but you can still absolutely use it around the campsite, you know, at any designated campground, is the Sea to Summit x-brew. I love this thing. It is collapsible, weighs next to nothing. It's a pour over system, which is a fantastic way to have a cup of coffee. You can use it with its integrated mesh grate. You can also use it with, you know, actual like paper filters. And that way, either way works great. And you can do a fresh cup of coffee and you don't have to worry about either weight, and you don't have to necessarily sacrifice taste with instant coffees that are out there. So I love the x-brew. We've had them for a while. I've gifted them away to a couple other people who like coffee that count all their ounces, and you could absolutely carry that in and be man portable, or again, enjoy it around the campsite. So if you want coffee and you are a coffee lover, go with the x-brew. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Again, I love these cook items and these items that help you cook when you're out in the field, out on the trail, or around a campsite. Check us out on all the relevant social media. If you're not a current subscriber, I'd invite you to become part of the GT family. We're throwing up videos every single week just like this. If you are a current subscriber, thank you so much for your continued support. And finally, guys, always remember, stay equipped, stay prepared, and we'll see you out there.